Let us now move to the beneficiary status section. This chart provides a status breakup of number of eligible beneficiaries in the selected cohort. Total beneficiaries refers to the number of unique beneficiaries in the selected cohort. In this district, count of total beneficiaries is 1434. The count of current patients shown in the overview section was 1475. Let us understand why the difference. For cases where more than one episodes are registered for a patient during the selected notification period, while calculating the count of current patients, they would be counted as two cases. But, while calculating beneficiaries, this would be counted as one record, since person is the same, with a single patient ID and beneficiary ID. Due to such cases, the count of beneficiary records may be lesser than the count of current patients. 20 beneficiaries have foregone their benefits. There are 192 beneficiaries whose bank details are empty, that is not entered in Nikshay yet. Thus, bank details are available for the balance 1,222 patients. Up to this indicator, to calculate the percentages, denominator is total beneficiaries. These blocks are indicated in blue color. The remaining indicators are a breakup of cases where bank details are available. Thus, to calculate the percentages, denominator is bank details available. These blocks are indicated by a different color. There are 3 cases where bank details are sent to PFMS for validation and response is awaited. In this cohort, there are 10 cases where the bank accounts have been modified after PFMS validation and therefore need to be approved by the DTO. There are 50 cases where the bank details are rejected by PFMS. In these cases, the bank details need to be corrected in Nikshay and sent to PFMS again. In this cohort, there are 1159 beneficiaries whose bank details are validated. These are the only beneficiaries to whom benefit payments can be made. Let us now identify the action items for this district. The first action item is to update the bank details of these 192 patients in Nikshay. The second action item is review and correct the bank details of these 50 rejected cases. The third action is to approve the 10 cases where bank details are modified after validated. If the team takes up these activities, the performance of the scheme will considerably improve. This is how the dashboard helps in identifying the action items easily and improving performance.